Good morning, student. Now, is the same chapter, straight line. Student, there are three exercises, 10.1, 10.2, 10.3. Now is exercise 10.1, that is the slope. And you know, students, slope of the line, there are 3 to 4 forms. One is the when 2 points are given, then what is the slope? Then m equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. But when angle is given, then m equals to tan theta. Then, what equation of line in general form? You know, student, equation of line in general form, ax plus by plus c equals to 0. This is the equation of line in general form, right? उस condition में slope की identity m equals to minus a upon b, where a is the coefficient of x, b is the coefficient of y. Same exercise 10.2, there are 5 forms: point slope form, 2 point form, intercept form, slope intercept form, and normal form. Same exercise 10.3 हमने yesterday discussed 1 to 14 question, but today now is 15, 16, 17, 18. All are very, very important. Question number 15. First thing is the read the question number 15. And question number 15, the perpendicular from the origin to the line y equals to mx plus c. This is the equation of line is given. Equation of the given line. Equation of the given line y equals to mx plus c. This is equation of line in slope intercept form. And now this is diagram where m is the slope of the line and c is intercept. This is y equals to mx plus c, right? And c is the intercept on y-axis, and that's o is the origin 0, 0. But now according to question, the perpendicular distance, the perpendicular from the origin to the line meet at point minus 1, 2 and find the value of m and c. इस origin से यहाँ पर इस line पर एक perpendicular draw. This is OP. And now the P point is given minus 1, 2. Right? And find the value of m and c. Now look here, student. First thing, this point P lies on this line. And this is equation of line in given line y equals to mx plus c, where m is the slope of the line and c is the intercept. But now this is OP line, is a perpendicular line. Then O point is given 0, 0 and P point is given minus 1, 2. And now 2 points are given. What are the slope? Then slope of the line OP. First thing, now find the slope of the line OP. Then m equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. You know, student, then slope of line OP is y2 minus y1, that is a 2 minus 0 upon minus 1 minus 0, that is minus 2. This is the slope of line OP. But line OP is the perpendicular to given line. Line OP is perpendicular to line first. What are the conditions? Two lines are perpendicular. Student, two lines are perpendicular. That means condition m1 m2 equals to minus 1. So that means मैंने आपको कहा कि इस लाइन का अगर स्लोप मेरे पास में है तो मैं परपेंडिकुलर लाइन का स्लोप फाइंड कर सकता हूँ. रेसिप्रोकल एंड साइन चेंज डायरेक्ट. So now m dash equals to minus 1 upon m. Why? Is the peak OP line is perpendicular to line first. So then m dash is the slope of given line, that is reciprocal is 1 upon 2 and negative का positive. So this is my first answer. मैंने OP line का slope find किया denoted by m dash. But now find the slope of this line, right? m already given है इसलिए. So then m equals to 1 by 2. This is my first answer. Now the second answer, find the value of c. Student, point P lies on given line. Now point P coordinate is minus 1, 2 lies on the line first. That means x coordinate is minus 1, y coordinate is 2. So y is 2, m as it is, and x is minus 1 plus c. But now 2 equals to minus m plus c. And where m is given 1 by 2. So what are the value of c? Then value of c is minus half this side transfer 2 plus half, that is c equals to 5 by 2. दिस इज माई सेकेंड आंसर. मुझे m और c की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी थी. सो m इज 1/2 एंड c इज 5/2. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 17 is again very important question. Then three vertices of a triangle are given and find the equation of and length of altitude from the vertex A. This is very important question. The first thing is question number 17. In a triangle ABC with vertices ABC are given. Question number 17. Then this is triangle. Now coordinate of A point are given 2, 3. Coordinate of B point are given 4, -1. And coordinate of C point is given 1, 2. And find the equation and length of altitude. You know, student, first thing, what are the difference between altitude and median? Student, altitude is perpendicular to opposite side, but not bisect. But median, then bisect to opposite side, but not perpendicular. दिस इज डिफरेंस. मीडियन अपोजिट साइड को हमेशा बाइसेक्ट करता है बट परपेंडिकुलर नहीं होता. लेकिन एल्टीट्यूड, राइट, दैट इज माय लेंथ ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर. दिस इज अपोजिट साइड को बाइसेक्ट नहीं करता बट दिस इज परपेंडिकुलर. तो सुन, फर्स्ट थिंग, मुझे इस एडी लाइन का इक्वेशन भी फाइंड करना और उसकी लेंथ भी फाइंड करनी. अब मुझे ये मालूम है कि मुझे एडी लाइन का इक्वेशन फाइंड करना, एक लाइन का इक्वेशन फाइंड करना अबाउट टू थिंग्स, पॉइंट एंड स्लोप. पॉइंट इज गिवन, स्लोप इज नॉट गिवन. तो फर्स्ट थिंग, नाउ फाइंड स्लोप. And slope find करने के लिए this is find the slope of line BC. B point is given, C point is, 2 point are given. What are the formula of slope? y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So first thing, now find slope of the line BC. You know, students, slope of the line BC denoted by m y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. That means 2 plus 1 upon 1 minus 4. 2 plus 1 is 3, 1 minus 4 is minus 3, that is minus 1. This is the slope of line BC. और अगर आपके पास में एक लाइन का स्लोप है तो आप क्या उस परपेंडिकुलर लाइन का स्लोप फाइंड कर सकते हो? यस. What are the condition? Two line are perpendicular. m1 m2 equals to -1. That means कि अगर आपके पास में गिवन लाइन का स्लोप है तो परपेंडिकुलर लाइन का स्लोप रेसिप्रोकल एंड साइन चेंज. So what are the slope of the line AD? Then denoted by m dash is a -1 upon m. Why? Since the condition AD is perpendicular to BC. And two lines are perpendicular, then m1 m2 equals to -1, then reciprocal of 1 is 1 and minus का +1. So m dash, this is slope of line AD. आपके पास slope given है, point given है. Now equation of the line AD. This is formula. Point slope form y minus y1 equals to m x minus x1. You know, student, x1 is 2 and y1 is 3. Then y minus y1 is 3 and slope is 1 and x minus x1 is 2. So now simplify, that is x minus y plus 1 equals to 0. This is my first answer. This is equation of altitude. But now the second answer, find the length of altitude. So there are two methods. One, okay, now find D. And D के coordinate find करने के बाद then apply distance formula. You know distance formula, when 2 points are given and find the length of this line. So find distance formula, under x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. But now this is second method. मैंने आपको एक formula बताया, distance of a point from the line. Then formula is D equals to ax1 plus by1 plus c upon under a square plus b square. So apply this formula, but उस formula को apply करने के लिए first thing, now find equation of side BC. So equation of the line BC. Then 2 points are given, apply 2-point formula. Yeah, otherwise this is 1 point slope formula. Y minus y1 equals to m x minus x1. Where m slope of line BC is given -1. And point x1, y1, this is the first point, here another second point. This is the first point, x1 is 4 and y1 is -2. So y minus y1, y1 is -1, minus +1. And m slope is -1. So x minus x1 is 4. That is the equation of side BC. Y plus 1 equals to minus x plus 4. Then x plus y. X plus y minus 3 equals to 0. This is equation second. This is the equation BC. Equation of line BC. Right? And now distance of the point A 2, 3 to the line second. So formula ax1 plus by1 plus c upon under root a square plus b square and whole mod. अप्लाई करना भी सिखाया था मैंने इस फॉर्मूले को अप्लाई कैसे करते हैं. वेयर a is a coefficient of x is 1. x1, this is x1, this is y1. Then x1 is 2 plus 1 into y की जगह y1, that is 3 minus 3 upon under root a square plus b square, where a is a coefficient of x, b is a coefficient of y. A is 1 and b is also 1. So then whole mod, 3 to 3 cancel. Then 2 upon under root 2, that is root 2. This is my second answer, is a length of altitude. So this is the length of altitude and this is the equation of altitude. So student, please solve exercise 10.2, a very important, very interesting exercise, right? Then last two question, only try. This is again same formula, distance formula. Thank you.